Alright, cold start time on the 95 Chevy. Got the breather off of it so you can see the auto body. See if I can set my camera up and we're going to go ahead and give it a shot.
The motor up and stuff?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. He's taking power right now. Tell you what, this thing sure does have a whole lot of power. Does it? Yeah.
Still pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Still says 303,000 miles, bro.
303?
It's rebuilt.
The motor's rebuilt?
Yeah.
Same motor is rebuilt?
Yeah. Can't believe how good a shape it is, man. I mean, for a work truck, you expect it to be ripped to shreds.
Yeah.
Start cleaning it up, too.
Not even familiar, is it?
Nah, not really.
It's a seat cover.
Yeah. Put a CD in, too. Had the cable to an old two-way. I just put that antenna on it.
Is that the antenna?
Nah, it's the one that came off the Jeep.
Jeep's still not running very good.
I pulled some spark plugs out of it, and they're not doing right at all. Cleaned it up on the inside too. Have you seen the steering wheel? There's a top piece that's missing out of it. You can probably see it under the cover. And it's got a rubber hose in place of it.
Oh, up here?
Yeah.
What, like the steering wheel got broke or something?
Yeah, it just finally wore out. They put a rubber
Wore
hose
through or whatever?
Yeah.
Not a bad truck, is it?
Not really. Do like the floor that's in it too.
It's what?
The floor that's in it, it's not carpet,
Yeah.
so it don't get all wet. Main point there's the hazard lights. That switch will come all the way out.
Will it burn rubber if you floor it?
I might. The tires might grab too much.
Are those new tires?
They're pretty new, yeah.
Oh, y'all, they were on the car? Y'all didn't buy them? Y'all didn't put them on here?
Nah.
Yeah, they're pretty good tires, aren't they?
Yeah, but for how much power it's got, it probably would still burn a little bit.
Seemed like it would have got out of that mud with them tires like that, doesn't it? Remember
Yeah.
I pulled it out, seemed like it didn't come out of that.
Yeah, but it was real muddy and the front tires were dug down a little bit too.
There's not a lot of weight back there either.
Nah. Well, I did have a couple tons of snow in it though.
Yeah. How much does it take to fill this up?
How much money?
Yeah.
A whole lot.
Like $50, $60?
Yeah. Now, right now it's still got more than half the tank in it, and we filled it up a few weeks ago. And I think it had a little more than a quarter of the tank, and we put like $40 in it, and it just barely got full. I don't even know how big the tank is on it.
Yeah, I like that truck. It's got different tires on the back of the front, doesn't it?
Yeah. See the Jeep? That back carpet's got to come out of there.
That what?
This carpet here.
What? To get nasty?
Yeah.
Oh, it is kind of nasty, isn't it?
Yeah. They clean the rest.
I wish my back window rolled down instead of popped open. So I could, you know what I mean, roll it down. I like that better.
Yeah, that one there don't do right.
Gets the air going through your car.
Yeah. Of course, they say not to do that because of the exhaust too.
You still clean out the garage every once in a while?
I had it pretty clean, and then all that's the stuff that I pulled out of there.
Let's pull this out here. Oh, where?
Now that's what I had on top of the floor to cover up where it was dirty before, but then it got all wet and molded.
I need to find some way to. Is there a way like my interior light? If I just like my back, like I went to the drive-in, and I wanted the interior light off. We sat in the back and opened the hatch, but we couldn't get the interior light to go off.
There might be.
Like a circuit to go by or something.
You could probably do that, or
even the glass. We tried just opening it, and then the interior light comes on. And the guy beside me had an Explorer, but it was newer than mine, and he had a switch where his lights are that would turn it off, override it.
Yeah.
But mine wouldn't have that.
Yeah, there might be a switch on yours where you can get to it kind of easy and just have something hold it down.
So we just had to sit there with the lights on and watch the movie The Drive-In.
Yeah. Finally got the interior lights on the Jeep working again too. I hot wired it a little bit.
What you gotta do to it? Charging it?
I wasn't gonna charge it, but I really need to bring it up in here.
Pump out.
Yep.
So let me take that, man.
Alright. I'll be in there here in a few minutes. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, that's my big brother. Kind of weird, I'm 13 and he's 32. But, you know, I wouldn't have it any other way. Alright, so before I shut this thing down, I'm going to get a clip of the exhaust. There's the smoke again. So here we go. Got my camera wet. Oh well. It'll dry. I think. Well. There's the coaster on the truck. Now I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off because I'm almost 10 minutes. Catch you later.